Hi guys, it's Mrs. DeVasier and we are getting ready to kick off Career Week. We've got a lot of really neat, fun activities for you planned this week. Today we're going to do a couple things. You should have just taken the Panorama survey and we are going to get set up to do some career interest inventories. And what these are quizzes that will help you figure out what kinds of careers and jobs might line up with the things that you're really good at, your talents, your specialties, things that you're interested in. And so the website we're going to use today is called Indiana Career Explorer. And you can just Google Indiana Career Explorer on Chrome, or you can type in indianacareerexplorer.com. So I'm just going to go out here. I'm going to Google Indiana Career Explorer. And from here, it's going to be the very top choice is where you're going to go. And I'm just going to walk you through how to get set up here because you do have to create an account to use this website, but it's a one-time setup, and after you get it set up, you can use it forever. So once you get to the website, indianacareerexplorer.com, you are going to click on this area, the K-12. We're going to click on Join Today. And what we're going to do is we are going to set up an account so that we can take some career interest inventories and explore different careers. So when you scroll down, we're going to click on Take an Assessment. And from here, it's going to prompt you to register. So what you're going to do is you're going to create your account, click on Register Now. You're going to type in your first and last name. All of you have an email address. I don't know if you're aware of that, but it's your student ID number. I'm just going to make one up here. And then it's followed by @students.avon-schools.org. So I don't know if you guys knew that, but you all have an email address, and it's your student ID number followed by @students.avon-schools.org. And then the password is going to be something that you will create, something that you will remember. It does need to have an upper and a lowercase character and at least one number and a minimum of 8 characters. So I'm going to go ahead and use my password that I use for everything. And then you're going to do your zip code. Most of you, it's going to be 46123. That's Avon zip code. Some of you do have an Indianapolis, or I think a couple of you might even have a Danville zip code, but most of us is going to be 46123. And then down here, you're going to say you're a student. You're going to pick the appropriate grade level. You are not a JAG student, so we're just going to go ahead and say no to that. And then you're going to do your school. And once you start typing in Avon Middle School North, it'll pop right on up, and you're going to select it from the drop down. And you're going to confirm that you attend a school that's within Indiana, and you're going to register. So after those steps are complete, you will have access to start utilizing the website. So there might not be much time left today to explore the website, but what we probably have time to do is to at least take the quizzes. So if you click on Identify Your Interests and View Assessment Tools, it's going to take you right to a quiz that's going to ask you about different things like, do you like communication? Do you like finding, analyzing, and presenting information? How do you feel about organizing and storing, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So it's going to have you answer all of these questions. You're going to hit continue. There's going to be a number of questions. And at the end, it's going to give you some careers that line up with your interests. So for today, I think we're going to have time just to get the account set up and take the quizzes. And then later in the week, we're going to log right back in and we're going to explore the careers and do something more with these, some more activities with this website. So feel free to go ahead and explore the website between now and then. There's lots of neat resources on here. If you have any trouble getting logged in, or if you have any questions, you can always Schoology message myself or Mrs. West. And that's how we're going to get started for Career Week. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for listening. Bye.